In this example, we'll add several columns to parse out different date types from the existing order date field. This can be helpful if you need to identify the day of the week or spell out a date, such as Monday, January 15th. First, select the order date column, then go to Add Column, Column from Example, from Selection. Power Query will add a new column for you, and in the first row, type January. You'll see Power Query give you a suggestion, and if it's what you want, then press Enter to accept it and OK to complete it. Notice that when you do, Power Query automatically renamed the column to month name. Next, select the order date column again and add a new column. Then type Day and select Monday from the list. Power Query will fill the column with day names and rename the column Day Name. Finally, we'll do a more complex transformation where you'll actually teach Power Query what you want. Select the order date column again and add a new column. Then type Monday, January 15th, 2018, which corresponds with that row's date, and press Enter. If nothing happens, then copy the date you just entered and paste it in the row below. This time, Power Query has determined that I want to do something with the order date, but not what. So press Enter, then go to the third row and enter Saturday, January 20, 2018. Power Query fills in the date pattern I want, but the dates aren't quite correct, so we need to teach it just a little bit more. In this step, double-click the fourth row and replace January with February. Hit Enter, and finally Power Query figured out the pattern that I wanted and applies it to the rest of the rows. Will you have to go to this extent all the time? No, but now you know that you can teach Power Query to recognize patterns when you need it. From here you can go to Home, Close, and Load, but you might also want to change the header row because Power Query didn't quite figure that one out. I'm just going to name it Custom Date, but you can do anything that you want. Next, we'll continue working with columns and create a conditional column where you'll tell Power Query to do something only if your condition is met.